Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and another edition of Friday Night Cocktails.
Yes! So if you have been watching, which
hopefully you have,
any intelligent person would be,
oh my gosh,
we made a pineapple and jalapeno infused tequila not too long ago. And the whole reason for doing that was because a long time ago when I first started making that, I also came up with a margarita for that. So that's what we're going to be making today. So
specifically pineapple jalapeno margaritas.
Yes. And we've got the infused tequila that we made. The recipe and the link for the video is down below. If you haven't watched that yet, you should probably watch that next. Then the next ingredient, instead of using a Grand Marnier or a triple sec or something like that, we're using what's called Licor 43. It's a Spanish liqueur. It's primarily known for a really popular cocktail in Spain called a carajillo, which is a coffee-based drink, which we will make at some point.
I don't know about coffee and orange.
I've had one. It's good.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay.
Trust.
Right.
And then we've just got some lime juice and pineapple juice. So really, really tasty.
Well, let's see.
Yeah. Well, so okay.
Let me be the judge of that.
Okay. I do have to mention really quickly before we start mixing. So the glasses that we're using today, this was Katie's idea.
You have to turn them around because I can't read them.
This is from the Holiday Hotel and Casino in Reno. And these were my grandparents' glasses.
The only thing we overlook is the river.
It was kind of Reno is kind of, it's
had a resurgence since these were a thing in the 60s,
yeah,
50s.
It was where my grandmother's 98. She's still with us. My grandfather unfortunately passed away in 2010. But this was one of their places that they would go. Vegas was not in their budget, which it isn't for a lot of people.
And Reno was a lot closer.
And yeah,
it's like the Northern California go-to.
That's where you went. And so this was one of their spots. They went there enough that they were gifted some glasses. And they were big winners. They gifted them to us. And so anyway, so special glasses today. Thank you for letting me share a little family history there. So we're going to start, as always, we're doing a double cocktail. So we're going to do what I'm calling out is just for what one cocktail would be. So we've got 2 ounces of our tequila. And then we have a ½ ounce of our Licor 43.
So you're going to pour one?
And this, that's right, sorry. Yeah, you got to keep an eye on me.
Supervising.
Yes.
It's hard to do the math both ways.
Because 1 + 1 = 2. That's really difficult.
Give it a little.
But the Licor 43 is The Licor 43 has orange tones, but it also has vanilla tones. So it's an interesting add to the drink. I really like it. So, and then we've got 2 ounces of the pineapple juice.
Okay.
Then I'm going to add our ice. And I love pineapple juice in cocktails because it's one of those juices that gets a nice foam on it. It really gets foamy as you shake it.
I'm a good barback. That's my job.
You totally are.
Barback, taste tester.
Come on, there we go. There's that foam I was referring to. So we're gonna give this a little pour there.
They're big rocks, so these are going to be smallish. We'll have leftover in the tin, like when we go to Ola. We have margarita to spare. Ooh, I got the bigger pour.
Well, I can take care of that.
Oh, all right.
We're equal around here. So,
all right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You get the jalapeno.
Oh, you totally get it. Because this was the 2 jalapeno infusion so that it didn't get lost in the margarita. Ooh, That's still got a kick.
I love that.
It's good. It's very light, but it's got a jalapeno kick, even blended with this stuff. Wow.
But the sweetness of the pineapple juice and the Licor 43 really adds a lot. I've had Licor 43 previously, so I can taste the vanilla.
Oh.
I don't know.
Is it more vanilla than orange?
Well, it's both, but you would almost have to have it. I think you would have to pick that up in this, you may have to have had this like neat on its own.
Yeah.
But
I don't need to do that.
Okay. But really, this is
This is good.
Tasty. This is
I do like the 2 jalapeno
in the cocktail.
Yes. Because it
just gives a little
stays forward versus
Right.
The last batch with only 1, it was just a bare hint of jalapeno.
And now you get a little bit more on the back end. It's good.
My tongue's on fire, so that's good, right? If that's what you're going for. No, it's not. It's not on fire. I'm kidding.
This is good.
Yeah, well done.
So,
all right, cheers.
Cheers. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. When you are all done for the week, put your feet up and have your beverage of choice. If you do make this, comment. Let us know. We would love to hear if you guys make our drinks.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants. And Friday night cocktails.
Yes.
If you choose.
See ya.